Hi, I am Rama Madan. The parents, guardians, teachers, coaches are facing tough issues from adolescents under their charge. As a parent, I personally face many challenging situations. Friends, relatives, and elders tend to find fault with your approach towards your wards. It is easy to say that your children are not disciplined. The very definition of right and wrong has changed, leading towards graceful acceptance of certain things that were previously unacceptable and a pragmatic approach towards managing teenagers. Teenagers are a unique and often self contradictory breed. As a group, they strive for individuality, yet crave peer acceptance. They act like they know everything and yet lack much experience. They feel invincible and yet are often insecure. Some teenagers thrive on testing and challenging authority. A few may be self destructive. It's not easy when you have to deal with difficult teenagers in your life. Whether they are your children, students, athletes, group members, or employees, what can you do in the face of a challenging situation? I'll try to address a few behaviors and give suggestions. Not all of these tips may apply to your particular situation. Simply utilize what works and leave the rest. Firstly, avoid giving away your power. Second, establish clear boundaries. Third, assertive and effective communications. Fourthly, when dealing with a group of difficult teens, focus on the leader. Fifth, in mild situations, maintain humor and show empathy. Sixth, give them a chance to help solve problems if appropriate. Seventh, in serious situations, deploy consequences to lower resistance and compel respect and cooperation. Considering the time constraint, I'll focus on first point. First, avoid giving away your power. One of the most common characteristics of difficult teenagers is that they love to push your buttons and make you react negatively. This can be done in a variety of ways, including and not limited to teasing, disobeying, not listening, backtalking, temper throwing, rule breaking, dismissing, haggling, and provoking. During these moments, the more reactive and upset you become, the more the teenager will think he or she has power over you. She has succeeded in pushing your buttons. The first rule of thumb in the face of a difficult teenager is to keep your cool. The less reactive you are to provocations, the more you can use your better judgment to handle the situation. When you feel upset or challenged by a teen, before you say or do something that may worsen the situation, take a deep breath and count slowly to 10. In many instances, by the time you reach 10, you would have regained composure and figured out a better response to the issue so that you can reduce instead of exacerbate the problem. If you are still upset after counting to 10, take a time out if possible and revisit the issue after you calm down. Thus, one has to be very flexible and smart in handling adolescents. Specific problems being faced by you can be discussed and resolved in personal sessions. Take care, keep smiling, be empathetic, and enjoy being a happy and satisfied guardian of your ward.